Crypto Mining, for the Clueless, a no-nonsense guide to profit. This is a comprehensive guide on how to make money from mining cryptocurrencies. Today, we will be exploring all aspects of crypto mining, from choosing the right hardware, understanding market trends, and even how to monetize your mined cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have become a major player in the financial landscape, and there are several key players. When it comes to mining cryptocurrencies, the hardware you choose can significantly impact your profitability. NVIDIA has always been a top pick for miners. The best graphics cards are made by NVIDIA for crypto mining. These graphics cards offer excellent performance and efficiency, which is crucial for profitable mining. Understanding market trends is key to maximizing your profits from crypto mining. This means being aware of the price fluctuations of different cryptocurrencies and how market trends affect mining difficulty. For example, Bitcoin has seen growth of 5,000%, and Ethereum has increased 16,317% from April 2016 to June 2023. When it comes to mining software, you want to choose one that is compatible with your chosen hardware and the cryptocurrency you intend to mine. Once you mined your cryptocurrencies, there are several websites where you can monetize them. The potential earnings from crypto mining can vary greatly depending on a number of factors, including the cost of your hardware and electricity, the current market price of the cryptocurrency, and the mining difficulty. The most promising cryptocurrencies to mine in 2023 based on their market capitalization include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, US Dollar Coin, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. When it comes to mining software, you have a variety of options to choose from, each with its own benefits and drawbacks. Number 1. CG Miner, a versatile miner that works with most hardware. Number 2. Bitminter, a user-friendly option that works with its own mining pool. Number 3. BFG Miner, a modular ASIC/FPGA miner written in C, featuring dynamic clocking, monitoring, and remote interface capabilities. Number 4. Multi-Miner, a graphical front-end for BFG Miner that makes it easy to switch between different cryptocurrencies. Number 5. Easy Miner, a simple, intuitive interface that can be used for both pooled and solo mining. As for the hardware, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090 is currently one of the best graphics cards for mining, but the specifics can vary depending on the cryptocurrency being mined. It's also important to consider factors like energy costs and cooling solutions, as these can significantly impact the profitability of mining. The choice of hardware depends on the type of cryptocurrency you plan to mine. Graphics cards are ideal for Ethereum, while ASIC miners are designed for Bitcoin. It's crucial to consider factors like hash rate, energy consumption, and cost when choosing your hardware. In terms of potential earnings and the time it might take with a high-power PC like an i7 or i9, with the highest power NVIDIA graphics card, this can vary greatly depending on many factors. These factors include the specific cryptocurrency being mined, the current market value of that cryptocurrency, the total hashing power of your setup, current difficulty level of the cryptocurrency network, electricity costs in your location, and whether you're mining solo or as part of a pool. Please note that while cryptocurrency mining can be profitable, it also involves significant risks and challenges. It's important to do your own research and consider your individual circumstances before getting started. The optimal hardware for cryptocurrency mining can be generally broken down into the following categories. Number 1. CPU, processor. A powerful processor is essential for efficient mining. Although most of the heavy lifting is done by the GPU, a good CPU can help improve overall performance. Intel's i7 or i9 processors or AMD's Ryzen series are often recommended. Number 2. GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. The GPU is the most crucial piece of hardware for cryptocurrency mining. Some of the top GPUs for mining include the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 or 3090 and the AMD Radeon RX 5700 XT. However, the best GPU for you depends on factors like the specific cryptocurrency you're mining, your budget, and electricity costs in your area. Number 3. RAM, memory. You'll want at least 8 GB of RAM, but 16 gigabytes or more is recommended for optimal performance. Number 4. Storage. An SSD, solid-state drive, is preferred over a hard disk drive due to faster read-write speeds. A capacity of at least 500 gigabytes or more is recommended, but this will depend on the size of the blockchain of the cryptocurrency you're mining. Number 5. Motherboard. You'll need a motherboard with enough PCIe slots to accommodate all of your GPUs. Some motherboards are specifically designed for mining, with numerous PCIe slots and other features beneficial to miners. Number 6. Power supply. Mining can be power intensive, so you'll need a high-quality power supply unit, PSU, that can handle the load. Make sure the PSU has enough capacity to power all your hardware. Number 7. Cooling system. Mining hardware can generate significant heat, so a good cooling system is crucial. This can involve multiple computer fans, a dedicated air conditioning unit, or even a liquid cooling system. Number 8. Mining rig frame. If you're building a dedicated mining rig with multiple GPUs, you'll need a frame that can hold all your components. There are frames specifically designed for this purpose. Please note that what is considered optimal can vary widely depending on factors like which cryptocurrency you're mining, your budget, electricity costs in your area, and how much maintenance you're willing to do. Cryptocurrency mining can be complex and time-consuming, and it's not guaranteed to be profitable, so it's important to do thorough research before investing in expensive hardware. Here are some of the best cryptocurrencies to mine. Number 1. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is a multi-chain platform that allows different blockchains to interoperate. Its price has significantly increased from its launch in September 2020 to about $17.39 in June 2023. Number 2. Uniswap, UNI. Uniswap is a decentralized trading protocol that aims to make trading as accessible and efficient as possible. Since its launch in 2020, Uniswap has made a significant impact on the DeFi space. Number 3. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is a decentralized platform that allows complex programmable transfers of value in a secure and scalable fashion. Its price has increased from 3 cents to $1.42. Number 4. Litecoin, LTC, launched in 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer. Litecoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies to use the SCRYPT hash algorithm, which is different from Bitcoin's SHA-256. The price of Litecoin was $4 in June 2023, and it had grown to around $122. Number 5. Chainlink, LINK. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that enables smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. Its price has gone from about 30 cents in November 2017 to around $15.80 in June 2023. Setting up the software can be a bit technical, but most come with comprehensive guides to help you through the process. For those who can't afford expensive hardware, joining a mining pool is an alternative. This way, you are part of a group that combines their computational power to mine more efficiently. Here are some of the top cryptocurrency mining pools available in 2023. Number 1. Binance offers more than 150 cryptocurrencies and provides an API that allows you to integrate your current trading application. Offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 2.5%. Supports Android, iOS, web, and PC clients. Number 2. ChickenFast, a cloud-based Bitcoin mining pool that uses a special algorithm to automatically change computer power to the most profitable digital currency in real time. Requires a minimum investment of $250 and supports Android, iPhone, and iPad devices. Offers daily payouts. Number 3. Slush Pool allows miners to mine Zcash and Bitcoin easily. Offers robust security to keep your data secure on the cloud. The platform supports both Android and iOS. Offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 2%. Number 4. F2 Pool, used to discover blocks using your computational power. Supports more than 40 digital coins. offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 2.5%. Number 5. Pool BTC allows you to mine with minimum effort. Supports both BTC and BCH, offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 4%. Number 6. Via BTC offers BTC, BCH, and LTC mining pools. Offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 2% for PPLNS payment method and 4% for PPS. Number 7. Antpool allows you to mine and trade crypto tokens with ease. Offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 0% for PPLNS and 4% for PPS+. Number 8. Poolin allows you to mine Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies. Offers daily payouts with a pool fee of 2.5% FPPS. As for joining these mining pools, typically, you would first need to create an account on the pool's website. Once you have an account, you would configure your mining software to point to the pool server. Each mining pool may have slightly different steps or requirements, so it's important to check the specific instructions provided by the pool. Please note that the profitability of mining any cryptocurrency depends on factors such as the cost of electricity in your location, the cost of your hardware, and the current market price of the cryptocurrency. Always do your own research and consider your own circumstances before starting to mine a particular cryptocurrency. Crypto mining for the clueless, presented by earnmoney.com.